Hi everybody, I'm Buck WSR Weezer, and today I'm collaborating with Creative Fun. And our job today here is to visit with our Dalmatian Lulu, and we are going to build her a dog bed. Where are you going, Lou? Yeah, this is her dog bed. She's really owned it, and this is essentially components from our old couch. The two cushions here, we're going to reuse one of them, and we covered it with a blanket, and she likes to sit up there. But we're going to build a little platform out of wood and build this a little bit more permanent for her because she likes it so much. And I'm going to show you how to do it. These are the feet that we're going to use. They also came from the old sofa. So we're making this out of mostly recycled materials, and it's going to be pretty nice. I've got a sheet of plywood that's 2 feet by 3 foot, and that's going to be our platform. It's simply going to be a matter of affixing these feet to the platform and reusing one of these cushions. Oh, there she is. Lou, you ready for a new dog bed?
Uh-huh.
All right, so let me show you how to do this. So we wanted to make our dog platform 2 feet. This board's 2 feet wide and 2 feet by 3 foot. I bought a 2x4 sheet of lumber, so I'm going to take off a foot and because we're going with 2 feet by 3 feet. So we'll use the T-square to draw us a straight line. We'll cut off this 1 foot piece and save it for a future project. All right. And before we take it inside, we'll sand it down a bit. And we'll be ready for our next step. Okay, next we're going to attach our feet to the 4 corners. And I'm going to be using these 2.5-inch screws. And the holes are already drilled, 3 holes in each of the feet. Now the screws that had held these feet to the sofa were 3 inches long, but they protruded through quite a ways through the, and it would be thick, go right through all the way through our wood. So I'm going to shorten them and use some 2.5-inch screws. And it's not going to be too difficult to install them, I don't think. We just line each one up on the corner in as much as they are square. Shouldn't be that hard. That one's through. That's one. Two. Oh, lost my bit. Yep. There we go. It's magnetic, but it's a Torx head, so it got stuck in there and didn't want to come out.
Here's your keys.
Thank you. All right. Okay, so there's one on, and now we just got to do that on the remaining 3 corners. Come on. You can do it. There we go. Give me my tip back. Here we go. Nice. All right, so we've got our four corners mounted. Now I guess it remains to you if you want to paint or stain the platform. I don't think I'm going to mess with that now. I'm just going to take it back inside and set it up. Okay, so there's the new platform. Feels really good. Decorate it any way you want, if you want to paint it or whatever. There's the cushion. And for now we can cover it with this blanket. My wife talks about sometime maybe recovering these cushions. They've been around a while. Okay, come on up, Lou. Here we go. Lay down. That's it. There's your bed. Nice. So it's a simple way to reuse some old parts. There you are. Look, we're pretending we're friends in front of the camera. There's an easy way to make a dog bed using some old sofa parts and a piece of plywood. And dog bed's good to go. I thank you for watching. This is Buck WSR Weezer for Creative Fun. Subscribe to this channel and to my other channel of some other how-to videos. And have a great day, everybody. Say bye, Lou. Bye-bye.